I'm sharpening the blades on my Fecon Bullhog. Here's the setup. It's a weed eater, steel. You can use any one that you feel you like. This is a 12-inch chop saw blade for cutting through metal. And I just use the head that you'd use for attaching a blade to the weed eater. Same head, same bolt, with a DeWalt cutoff blade. There it is. It's 12 by 1/8 with a 1-inch arbor. And this is the little attachment that you'd use if you were putting a weed eater steel blade on there. And I use it to sharpen these teeth. I started that one, but ran out of gas, and so there you are, a tooth that needs sharpening. They start to wear in the front and they get dull. You need to take these guys off from this point back. Just push that whole bevel back so it kind of levels it out. You can go to Fecon and they've got John demonstrating how he does it. But the only problem with that is I'm out in the field and a battery powered unit doesn't last long enough, and I don't have electricity, so hence the weed eater to do the grinding, and all I need is gas, and I have that set up already. So I just thought I'd show you if anybody's interested in sharpening their own Fecon teeth. These are the knives. I think they're swords, or I don't know, can't remember which ones they are. Anyway, they're the flat straight ones. I'll set up the camera so you can actually see the grinding going on. It takes about a minute or two per each one, maybe even a little more. Depends on how long you wait before you actually sharpen them. I actually hit I hit a pipe, a steel pipe. I think I already sharpened that one on the other side, but it yeah, put a pretty good dent in one of them, but cut the pipe right in half. Anyway, when these guys are sharp, machine cuts so much better. So I'm gonna give you a shot of the actual grinding. I need to actually lift this, but I'm not gonna do it right now because it slowly sinks down over time. I've been sharpening here for about 20 minutes. I'm also being a lazy way. I'm actually having my weed eater sit inside of this chipper bed, and that way I don't actually have to hold it. It would be a lot easier if this shaft was reduced in size so you could hold it here and do it, but I'm using the full size shaft, which makes it a little more difficult. I don't have a short one yet. I will be making one, so let's get it started and show you how I do it. Anyway, that's the basic technique. You can adapt it to fit your situation. But that works for me for now. Just thought I'd show you in case you're out in the field and you need to do a little touch-up. Thanks for watching.